Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today guys we're doing another recommendation for you. This recommendation comes from Louis Sayer, and Louis wants me to do Anarchy in the UK. It's by the Sex Pistols. Hopefully you did enjoy the first recommendation that went out. It was recommended by Sophie Whitmore and it was See It, Cheap Thrills. Just a big shout out to Todd, who's just commented in the Cheap Thrills video with a very positive comment. So Todd, thank you ever so much. But I think we should just get straight into this guys, and hopefully you will enjoy. Right now, ha 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 ha. Bible quotation number 1. I am an antichrist. I am an anarchist. I know what I want and I know how to get it. I wanna destroy the passerby, 'cause I wanna be anarchy in the city. Anarchy for the UK is coming sometime, maybe. Give a wrong time, stop a traffic line. Your future dream is a shopping scheme, 'cause I want to be anarchy in the city, the only way to be. Right now. How many ways to get what you want? I use the best, I use the rest. I use the enemy. I use anarchy, 'cause I wanna be anarchy in the city. Follow me. Right. Is this the MPLA or is this the UDA? Is this the IRA? I thought it was the UK, or just another country. Council, Tennessee, and I wanna be, anarchy. And I wanna be anarchy. And I wanna be anarchy, and I wanna be, anarchy in the city, the only way to be. And I want to be anarchist. Get pissed, destroy. So yes guys, that was Anarchy in the UK, Sex Pistols, recommended by Louis Sayer. Louis, I hope you did enjoy that as much as I did sing that. I hope the rest of the subscribers did as well. Guys, hopefully that went okay. Sometimes on this channel, with it not being from my era, sometimes I might not be able to get the tone right of the song, so apologies if I did absolutely crucify the song, but hopefully it went okay. I'll be back tomorrow with 2 more recommendations, so until then guys, take care, see you soon, and bye for now.